In this video, I'm going to go over how to edit a very simple form in Proforms. So again, we're going to log into the site, go to the back end, and from here we go to Components, scroll down to Proforms, and then when it first opens up, what you'll first see is the one form that happens to be in this particular site is called Contact Us. So if I open up that form, what it's going to show me is that it's using the template called Contact Us, and I'll show you the template after we're finished with this area of the Proforms. The title of the form is Contact Us. Email. The email right now is going to this email address. You could change it. You could have multiple email addresses and just add them in by putting a comma in between. And then this subject line is the subject line of the email that will come to you when the form submission is made. This area right here where it says main text, in this site, this is the text that's appearing above the form on the contact page. So this is where this information can easily be edited. Just select and change the text as you need to. This After Sending tab is in this form going to this text. So this is text that the person will receive after they have submitted their form. And so again, you can go in here and you can edit any of this text as you need to. And that's mainly what you need to know about the form. However, the areas that you would actually go to in order to edit the fields, add fields, that kind of thing, you actually go to the template. And in the template, which is this one right here, Contact Us, start off on this page and just nothing needs to be changed here. We're just going to proceed. Now this is the area where all of the fields actually are on the form. So I'm going to open up one of them. First name. So your question is the text that will appear before the field. If it's a required field, which this one is, you want to make sure that little star is red. And that is pretty much all you need to do if it's just a simple field that you need information added into. For the email field, it's pretty much the same. Question is email. It is a required field. You can check this box here as it being a unique email address. And then down here, these are actually a little bit different. Or actually this one is a little bit different. This is a text field area for the comments, and what that does is it gives you a box for people to type information in rather than just a short field. So again, there's the text that's before the box. It says comments, and then I've chosen, instead of a text field, I've chosen text area. I told it to be 6 rows high. It's just a good size. And then I told it to be no more than 250 characters. You can adjust that however you'd like. And I did not make that a required field because not everybody's going to have comments. If you wanted to add a field, you would do that over here on the side by clicking any one of these options. The two items that you have that are multiple choice items where someone has to use a pull down menu. These are, so here's branch of service. These are set up by, I chose this menu option so that someone would need to pull down in a menu option and only choose one item. Excuse me. And then over here on the right, you can see all the various items that are available in that pull-down menu. If you wanted to delete any of them, just click on that red area, and if you wanted to add one more, you could just click that green button and it will give you another area where you can add in another variable that you want to appear in the pull-down menu. And so I cancel out of there. If you needed to create a new item that had a pull-down menu, you choose this item, this selection, specified choice, and type in your question, decide whether or not you want it to be required, and then choose the option as far as how you want it to appear. By default, it'll go to the menu item that we've chosen for this site anyway, and that will automatically give you a drop down. And then just go ahead and start adding your items one by one. Hit add option every time you want to add one. And then when you're completely finished, just click the add button. And then when you add a new item, it'll automatically always put it down on the bottom. And then if you need to move the position to get it to appear above something else, you need to use these arrows, the up and the down arrows, to position them put them into a different area. And that is how to edit this form. So fairly straightforward and simple. Thanks.